Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Australia. For that, you need to simply open your web browser and then you will have to simply type paypal.com in the search bar. Now, once you do this, you will be landed on PayPal, and over here from this URL, you can see that it is showing me TZ, which is not my country. So if it is the case with you as well, meaning that you are able to open the link of any other country, so you will have to change it in your country first. So you need to simply scroll down in the bottom of this page, and here you will see the flag of the country. The URL of PayPal is open, so click on it and then you will be landed on this page. So on this page you will see all of the countries in which PayPal is providing its services, including Australia. So here you need to simply search for Australia, and as you can see over here, Australia is available in this list. So this is Australia in the Asia Pacific. So click on it and you will be landed on the PayPal's homepage that is available and accessible in Australia. So here click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Select whether you want to open a personal account or a business account and click on get started. On the next page, you need to provide your email address and press next. Then provide your first name, your last name, your phone number, your bank card details. After that, you will have to create a strong password for your account, and this way you will be able to easily open a PayPal account in Australia. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.